We all have those days where nothing can stop us. We've got everything we need to get done as a mom. We're just killing it, right? And then there's the days where we wind up putting our keys in the refrigerator.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm real glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, you guys know I love you so much. We've got a lot of newbies on the channel in the last month or so, and I just want to say welcome to the Gem Squad family. I'm so excited that you are here. I'm going to be doing some videos that my current subscribers, my gems, know about. Like, I have an end of year giveaway going on, and there's videos where like little tickets are in the corner of it, and there's just different things you can win, be a part of on this channel, giveaways, all different types of things that I'm gonna re-go over for you, for those of you that are new. Okay, so moving on, even though I have tons of stuff going on behind the screens here, today I wanted to do a video that I've been debating upon doing because a lot of you do ask me questions. I'll do my get ready with me's or my reviews, and I'll be like, make sure you got the fuzzies off your face, you know? So I wanted to show you guys how I actually prepare my skin and shave my face. Yes, it's a crazy, crazy, crazy topic. I've seen a few people over the last couple years talk about this, not very many from what I have seen. So if that's something that you are interested in, then let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have the 10 times magnification mirror that I know, I get scared. I think we all do when we're looking that close, right? But anyhow, when I do this, now the first part I showed you guys, you've got to exfoliate your skin. I love that little tool. It's $20 or under at most places. Walmart has it, Walgreens sometimes has it now. But anyway, I use one of those pads twice and then I replace it. But I love it. So I don't do it on my forehead though, because I get Botox here once in a while, and you really shouldn't use anything vibrating when you have Botox. Okay, so now, a battery operated razor, they do get dull after a while, so I don't see a point in using those. They're around $10. I've gotten rid of mine. A regular razor I do not use on my face because I don't put, like, there's little hairs here and there on my face. Sometimes people get a lot of fuzz as you get older and you're over 40. That's what happens. But they're like, I use a disposable razor. One, sanitary, way more sanitary. And you can use one of these like twice. And the reason that I use these is because it's easy. They don't scratch the skin. You do have to do it a certain way, but it gets the dead skin cells off, okay? And, you know, it's removing fuzz, which is going to help your products be absorbed better by the skin. And it removes any texture. You can put makeup on a lot easier. Now, I've never used a razor like this and had a problem with hair growing back thicker or darker or anything like that. Now, mind you, I'm not telling you to go out and shave your face, but what I'm telling you is this is what I do, and this is what has worked for me, and I've done this for a long time. And like I said, you know, like once in a while I'll get like a black hair here or there, and I will use my tweezers and pull that sucker out. This is for just fuzz, those little white hairs that irritate the heck out of you, and I probably do this once every 2 weeks. So I turn over to that magnification side, 10 times magnification, and I start up here. There are tiny little white hairs, and I am hoping I can get close enough for you guys to see it. Oh, see this here? I want to show you. I'm going to actually take a picture with my phone so you guys can see it. And I'll insert a picture. Okay. And I will go over my head, and you don't have to push the razor into your skin. Don't do that. It's just really going to take off the dead skin. This is amazing. Like, if you see this, it's crazy. And the tiny little fuzzes. And make sure you don't get your hair. And of course, make sure you're always focused. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. I really didn't think I had this much, but I gotta show you. I just gotta. This is for my forehead. And there really isn't hair on my forehead, you know? It's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna wipe it off. And then we're gonna start down here. And you wanna make sure this is the area where you have your highlight. So I'm really just kind of taking the razor and going over every part of the skin. There's not hair everywhere here, but it's going to get rid of the dead skin cells, which is something that I really, really want. So I'm going to shave every part of my face, and you're going to see the skin that comes off of it is crazy. I'm like, the skin, the little fuzzies, it's just like, oh my gosh. And I have to admit, this is really satisfying. You know how, like, I love it when, like, guys touch your face. Like, I've been taking care of my hair, my face, of course, right? And guys are like, oh my God, your skin's so soft. And I'm like, thank you. You know, it's funny. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. The hair kind of goes down this way. There are little fuzzies over here. I make sure that I get the jawline and I go down. And then I see what's on my razor and I take it off. You can also put this like on and swipe it off of a paper towel as well. Then I make sure I'm focused again. Okay, we're moving over to the lip, which I have tiny little blonde hairs right there. Going down in the way of the hair. That's how you want to do it. You don't want to do opposite the hair, because then it's going to leave the possibility of having ingrown hairs, and you don't want that. That defeats the purpose of doing this. I see them. I hope you guys can see this. Oh my gosh, the skin! It's crazy. Okay. It helps unclog the pores. It's crazy. I love it. And it is so satisfying. Again, be gentle with the razor. This up here, I always get little blonde hairs in here. Oh my gosh, can you see how the skin is like flaking off? Okay, I've got to take the stuff off of my razor. So now we're on this side here. I'm going to go ahead and go in the direction that the hair is going. And then we are going to go underneath and make sure everything is good. These are one of the razors that I will take with me too, and I won't use a razor more than 3 times. Alright, so now we're going to do the nose. Believe it or not, yes, I don't have hair on my nose, but because it takes the dead skin off. It is absolutely crazy. And I know I keep saying that, but it really is. It's just like, the skin. It's amazing. I hate blackheads, and we all get them. It's super annoying. But this definitely helps. I can only imagine what I look like right now.
Oh, we got a robbery, Mom!
You hear Jackson playing in the background? He's playing the PS4. I just got him a new game. Okay, so there we have it. I have done my entire face. I can take it off 10 times magnification now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my hair is super clean. I washed it before I went to bed last night, and I just haven't straightened it yet because I wanted to get all this junk done first. So now what I want to do, oh, so soft, is grab a toner pad and go ahead and tone my entire face. I've got several toners up here. I think even one of them had a value of like $95. And I like this toner. It's a glass bottle, but what I hate is you can't squeeze it out. It just has to like drip on there. All right, so I go over my entire face with a toner. It is just going to take the dead skin and any residue the razor might have left behind from taking off the fuzzies is going to get rid of. And then you should have, it should be pretty clean too. Once in a while you'll see like a little bit of a discoloration. It's because your skin and the blackheads. It removes any dirt, all that stuff. So yeah, it truly helps. And there really isn't anything on my paper towel, which is good. But now my skin is ready for a serum and moisturizer and makeup. All right, gems. So now you've seen me go through a little bit about my skincare routine and how I shave my face. I want to know your thoughts down in the comments below. Was this video helpful for you? Have you shaved your face in the past? Has anyone had dark hair come back? I've never had that. So I'm just curious in asking, and if there's anything that you can add to this video, put it down in the comments below because other people will read what you have to say. And it's really, really helpful. The more knowledge we have, the better we can make decisions for ourselves. Okay, guys. Like always, if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. I will do my very best to answer them. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys real soon in another one. Bye.